If you fall into the category of ladies that no man has actually treated right, and if you fall into the category of a lady that has never been treated like a queen from men, and if you also fall into the category of ladies that has never lived a life of a baby girl, you have never enjoyed men's money in your relationship, see, this video is for you. And if you fall into the category of searching, if you are searching for a rich man, you want to attract the rich man around you, you want to enjoy life, trust me, this video is for you. I have a solution to your problem. Perhaps if your husband no dey spend money on you, if your husband no dey spoil you with goodness of life, with money, and you are not living a baby girl life kind of situation, see, don't dull yourself. Make sure you watch this video from start to finish so that you can know how to use this product to get the results you have been craving for. Hello everyone, welcome back to another vibe of video. You know the jack already. If you are new here, hi, my name is Olajumoke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan City. So today's video is another banger, is another vibe. I'm bringing to you a fortified Kayanmata attraction Kayanmata, and this is strictly for ladies, for women wey sabi. You know, as a woman, as a lady, you have to like take care of yourself, and you have to attract every riches around you, every rich man around you, every rich guy around you, every riches around you. You have to stay connected and attractive, if you know what I mean already. I mean, if you are a single lady, this video is actually for single ladies, all right? Okay, single ladies. I know they, if married woman purchase this thing, no, I know they. This video is for single ladies who are still searching, and if you love to attract every riches around you, every rich man around you, and get stuck with them, I mean, this attraction bead and oil is actually for you. Okay, let me just take it out and make you guys see what is actually inside this package. All right, can you guys see? This is an attraction waist bead wey be say if you use them like this, if you use them so, if you're a single lady out there, when you use it, you will be irresistible. Any man wey get money around you will get attracted to you with immediate effect and spend money on you. Okay, make sure you get this waist bead to attract all the riches around you, all the goodness around you, all the grace around you. You can never get it wrong with this bead. And after, you know, getting attracted to a man, the next step is to use this oil and rub your tutu, and trust me, that man will spend his last kobo on you. I'm telling you this one no be joke. All right, we have limited numbers in stock. If you want this product, just send me a WhatsApp message on the WhatsApp number you are going to be seeing on the screen. See, ladies, don't dull yourself. Don't dull yourself on this product, because you can never get it wrong with this product. A blue high fortified waist bead for attraction, and also the attraction oil wey be say men go dey spend money on you woto without any restriction. If you want this kind of life, you want to live a baby girl life, make sure you get this bead. All right, I hope this video is helpful. I hope you love this video. If you do, make sure to like this video, make sure to share this video, because see, ladies actually need this product in their life. All right, if you need this product, just check my description box, send me a WhatsApp message, and trust me, You are going to thank me later. You are going to even pray for me. You are going to even send me money later after using this product, because this product is ajebidon. You can never get it wrong while using this product. All right. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.